Hello makers, welcome to Makershala. In this episode, we are going to learn about the famous so-called credit card size computer Raspberry Pi. So first we're going to discuss what is Raspberry Pi. It is a really small computer. I mean seriously, it may look tiny but it is power packed. It has all the components which any computer has. Before we talk about all the amazing features of RPi, let's take a look at the history of RPi. The first RPi board was launched in 2012 by Raspberry Pi Foundation based in the UK. The goal of this foundation is to promote computer literacy among young people. In 2015, new board came as RPi 2. Then in 2016, RPi 3 came, and now the latest RPi board is RPi 4. We also have a really small board called as RPi 0, which was also released in 2015. It is cheaper and smaller than the regular ones. Best for the projects where space is a prime consideration. Here we are talking about Raspberry Pi 4. It's a new RPi board and I gotta tell you, it's amazing. Talking about the specs, it has a quad-core 1.4 GHz processor based on 64-bit architecture. Coming to the RAM, it is available in 2GB, 4GB and 8GB variants. It also has a Broadcom GPU. For connectivity, it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 2.0 USB ports. You also get a LAN port. It runs on Linux-based operating system called Raspbian, which is specially made for Raspberry Pi. All these specs are very impressive when we compare to its price. The 4GB variant is available for about 4K in India, which you can buy from makerware.in. From here, you can buy all the components required to make robotic projects, be it Arduino, sensor, art and craft stuff. All of these links are in the description below. But RPi is not famous because of these specs. What makes RPi truly brilliant is the GPIO pins, or general purpose input-output pins. You can connect sensors, motors and other robotic components with these pins. You can program these pins to receive and send data. That is what makes it truly amazing. You can program your RPi with Python, C, C++, Java, Scratch and Ruby. All comes installed by default on the RPi. We can control all the GPIO pins using Python. Not just that, you can also program Arduino boards with RPi. Talking about computers and missing video games, well, that is not possible. You can also play so many video games on RPi board. Obviously, you will not be able to run the Fortnite on this, but we can play so many retro games such as the Atari, Nintendo, etc. There is a dedicated RPi OS for retro games called RetroPie. People are doing so many things with Raspberry Pi. Here are a couple of projects that are built with RPi. The first is the RPi supercomputer. Your RPi is just like a motherboard, and you can join a couple of Raspberry Pis together and make them work in parallel, share the workload properly, and you can build your own supercomputer or Raspberry Pi cluster at home and do all the high performance computing stuff. Obviously, you'll not be able to beat a real supercomputer, but building and working on this will give you insight into how a supercomputer works. The second is self-driving cars. RPi has a built-in port for the camera, and as we learned, it has GPIO pins to control various sensors and the motors. A team at MIT created an open source self-driving car system using Raspberry Pi called the Duckytown. You can train your car to follow the lane lines, stop at signals and avoid pedestrians. How cool is that? The next is computer education. These boards are being used extensively in educating young children. There are several companies making RPi kits to teach robotics and programming to kids. Kano is one such company which is making robotic kits to teach coding and make coding fun. Last but not the least, machine learning. Google has also launched AI kits for RPi. Vision kit is for the image recognition and object detection stuff. Then we have a voice kit to work with natural language processing.
How many kilometers in a mile?
1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers.
These are aimed towards the young audience so that they can also learn and work with artificial intelligence. So, are you excited to work with these boards? Grab yours from makerware.in. Once done with the project, you can share them with the amazing community of makers at makershala.com. Here, you can learn about DIY stuff and you can also share your project with others. So by this, we came to the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Stay tuned, keep learning and keep innovating.